Would you like to learn shoemaking from the comfort of your home at little or no cost? This is an opportunity. My name is Farouk Aliu, a graduate of electrical engineering, and I'm into shoemaking. What drove me into shoemaking was the passion to use something I made, so I started learning all by myself. I learned using the trial and error technique. I tried several attempts, learning from each of those attempts and making necessary adjustments to achieve desired results. The purpose of this video is to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Farouk1027, where I'll be taking you through a detailed step-by-step procedure of shoemaking, starting from the scratch. It's going to be a practical experience, so I implore you to subscribe now. In this shoemaking course, I will introduce you to the basic tools you need to know and have in order to start making your own shoes. I'll walk you through a step-by-step approach of designing shoe pattern. I'll also take you through how the various components of shoe are made and how they are coupled together to form a complete shoe. You will learn some type of soles and how the insoles are made. Also learn about gum and material selection and how changing climate affects their efficiency. I'll lead you through several designs of shoes, starting from pattern making down to the finished product. I'll teach you how to make belts, wallets, bags, and lots more. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn on notification so that you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And also ensure to like my videos, share it with family and friends, and leave your comments in the comment section for questions, suggestions, and even correction. See you in my next video where I'll be taking you through the basic tools you need to know as a beginner. Thank you for listening.